Yeah, hello.
So
Am I audible, sir?
yes, yes, you are audible, Samir. You ask
Okay,
the
okay.
question.
Yeah, very good evening, sir. This is Samir from Bombay, Mumbai.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Yes,
now thanks for your time in the evening. I spoke to you very briefly, if you remember.
yes, yes,
And
yes, yes.
all right, Acha. Now the thing is that, sir, how to find the right niche for myself, because Mumbai is a very versatile market where
Mm-hmm.
a house of 15 crore is also getting sold and house of 30 lakh is also getting sold.
Right.
Now, I just initially when I started this, I thought I'll go for the high ticket size.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to all the big builders where the big apartments are there in the high area. But
Mm-hmm.
then getting the leads for that is difficult, number one. And number
Mm-hmm.
two, they all have their own in-house real estate brokers.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And thirdly, there are no such buyers available because the COVID situation, the big ticket size sales are very less in Bombay right now, unfortunately. So the question comes. So then I thought that I should concentrate on the low segment of the society where the average house is getting sold for around 40 lakh, 50 lakh in the
Mm-hmm.
outskirts of Mumbai.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then I'm just circling around in this only since last 1 month, 1.5 months since I
Right.
started this.
Right.
Okay, so how to find the right niche for myself? That is the most important question I have in my mind.
Okay.
Yes.
Very, very good question, Samir. I think. Let me tell you one thing. I think when sometime when I say that when we are looking at what is a niche for me, so then we should look at the customer point of view, not look at the from the product point of view. Okay, these are two different things. Okay, all right. So
Okay.
let us look at the who is my customer. I'll make it very, very simple. Who is my target customer, right? Where there are maximum chances of me getting success because I relate to them. That's the first thing, right? to
Right.
to that target segment, what I can sell, that is a different question, right?
Right. Right.
Because to that target segment you can also sell a 15 crore worth of inventory or even 30 lakh worth of inventory, maybe for different purposes, right?
Okay.
Because because तो कस्टमर एंड प्रोडक्ट ये दो अलग अलग रखते हैं, पहले कस्टमर सोचते हैं फिर प्रोडक्ट सोचते हैं. So when I say that identify your niche, so
Sure, sir.
what you need to identify one or two things, that which kind of customer class becomes natural for you to work with.
Okay.
Right. This is for you to understand. Right now, I don't want an answer. What I want you to what I want you to think, that with what kind of customer segment you feel comfortable dealing with, you feel comfortable communicating with, you feel comfortable talking to, you feel that you understand their goals, you feel that you understand their pain points, you feel that you understand the challenges. For an example, मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे आप एग्जांपल ये दे सकते हो कि मान लीजिए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. For an
Right.
example, let's say
Right.
there are industrialists. If I say, for example, I understand industrialists very well. I understand what their goals are. I understand what the pain points are. I understand what the challenges are. I feel very connected when I talk to industrialists. I feel very I can talk to them well. I can connect with them. I
Right.
can connect with them better. So
Right.
it's just an example for me. Say entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs is my niche or my से customer होता है, because I understand what the goals are. I understand what the pain points are. I know what they look for. I know how they make their decision. So what I'm trying to say is think about that, and
Sure.
this requires critical thinking, because if you are able to really get this thing correct, then आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो आपको उसके अनुसार आपको ऑफर बनाना पड़ता है.
Right.
Selling anything is easy if you know for what purpose you are selling.
Right.
तो मान लीजिए
Right.
फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर ए कस्टमर ऑडियंस, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि इसका तो पेन पॉइंट ये है कि द पेन पॉइंट फॉर हिम दैट he does not two things, that this kind my target audience has got very less time to explore or to understand or do a research in order to make a decision. Or
Right.
my customer segment only makes a decision where they see a long term return. एक एग्जांपल मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
Right.
राइट? सो फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर इस तरह के कस्टमर अपने, अगर ये मेरा कस्टमर है, ये मेरा कस्टमर सेगमेंट है, तो मैं चाहे जिसको जो भी बेचूंगा, मैं उसको उसको वैसे ही कम्युनिकेट करूंगा, यार दिस हैज गॉट अ लॉन्ग टर्म वैल्यू, राइट? दिस हैज
Right.
गॉट these things. Clear?
Right,
So
right,
I think
right,
पहले
right.
first you decide that, and then day 3 में समीर कल हम
Sure.
बात करेंगे कि कैसे इसको बेचते हैं, और डे 3 में आपको अभी जो मैं बात किया ना कि कस्टमर ऑडियंस समझने के बाद, नीश समझने के बाद आप ऑफर कैसे बनाओगे, हाउ कैन यू मेक योर ऑफर, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑन डे 3 because
Fantastic.
that is required for lead generation. Clear?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Fantastic, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome.